guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today it's a new week and we have a new recipe. So today we're going to make coffee. Yes, I'm going to show you how you can make coffee using a coffee maker from home. Please stay tuned. But before we start, please consider subscribing to this channel, press the notification bell, give this video a thumbs up. So straight to our ingredients. So guys, first and foremost, let me introduce to you the ingredients that you're going to use to make our coffee. So we have this coffee. It's Arabica coffee from Dedan Kimathi University. It's very sweet. You need to try it. It's very yummy. Then we have milk here, but you don't have to use milk when making your coffee. It's very optional. You can as well take your coffee without milk. Still very okay. Then we have sugar. It's also very optional. You don't have to take sugar. You can supplement it with honey if you wish. Then we have water here. Then we have our coffee maker. So let's make our coffee. First of all, you need to put water in the coffee maker. The amount of water that you put will depend on the amount of coffee that you want. So I think that's enough. Then you need to put in the sieve. Then I'm going to put in the coffee. The amount of coffee that you put will also depend on how strong you want your coffee to be. So I'm going to put 2 tablespoons of coffee. Right? Then there's a sieve inside here. Don't forget to put the sieve. Then you need to close it. Then you switch it on. As you can see, it's on. Let me show you here. It's very on. So we're going to give it around 5 minutes. It's a very easy process. 5 minutes, then we'll be done. After about 2 to 3 minutes, the coffee will come in through this kettle here. As you can see, we are almost done and our coffee is here. So we're just waiting for the water to finish. The water has to finish and that will be the end of it, right? So let's give it some time. So we are almost done. As you can see, our coffee is inside here. So guys, our coffee is ready. As you can see inside this kettle. So I am going to serve it. So I will start by adding the coffee inside my cup. Remember, I told you that you can take coffee without milk, or you can add milk if you wish. So I love mine with milk. So I'm going to add a little milk also. Wow. This is how it looks like. So this is how it looks like with milk. Then I'm going to add sugar. Remember, I also told you that sugar is optional. You can supplement with honey. So I only take 2 tablespoons. Then you stir nicely. Wow, it looks so yummy. I can't wait to taste this. Guys, this is how our coffee looks like. Let me move closer. So yummy and delicious. I can't wait to taste this. Very yummy. So delicious. So please try out this recipe and let me know what your thoughts are in the comment section. So until the next episode of Mami Tujay's Asewe, please don't forget to subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend to subscribe. Until the next video. See you. Bye.